विधानसभा वेंचणुको सोंपल्या उपरांत वेंचणूक निरीक्षक ADRन वेंचून येयल्ल्या उमेदवारांची आंकडेवारी आनी डेटाचो अहवाल मुखार हाडला. प्रमोद सावंतान सोमारा विधानसभा बरखास्त करपाचें थारायिल्ल्यान राज्यांतल्या विधिमंडळा खातीर निवडून येयल्ल्या वांगड्याचो अहवाल मुखार आयला. पळयात.
ADRच्या अहवाला प्रमाण विधानसभेतल्या करोडपतींचो आंकडो आता 2017च्या तुळेंत डबल जातलो. जाल्यार वेंचून येयल्ल्या उमेदवारांच्या मालिकेची मालमत्ता सुद्धा सरकारी 10 कोटी वयल्यान डबल जावन डायरेक्ट 20.3 कोटी जाल्या. हे फावट गंभीर गुन्यांवांचो आंकडो 9 वयल्यान 13चेर पावला. चारांतल्या वेंचून आयिल्ल्या 2022 उमेदवारांची मालमत्ता 10 कोटी परस चड आसा. बरी गजाल पळोवपाक गेल्यार पदवीधराचो आंकडो 17 वयल्यान 21चेर पावला. हे फावट विधानसभेत 3 बायलांचोय आस्पाव आसतलो, ज्यो तिनूय वेंचून येयल्या उमेदवारांच्यो घरकान्नी आसात. भाजपाक काँग्रेसी परस 10% चड मतां मेळपाची ही पयलीच खेप.
What has happened in 2022 is, yes, some of the criminals have moved out of the assembly, but there are more who have come, and that's a matter of great concern. As far as the crorepati's are concerned, the average wealth of the winners, the 40 winners, has almost doubled vis-a-vis 2017. In 2017, it was almost about 10 crores. Now it has gone to about 20.3 crores. That's the average. Winners with criminal cases on their head, there were only 9 with serious criminal record in 2017. Now you have as many as 13. So the number of individual winners who have won, the number of number has increased to 13. So it should be a cause of concern to all the political parties as also to the voters of Goa. But the only positive in this entire elections is the number of graduates, professionals has increased. From mere 17 number out of 40, now we have as many as 21, which is straight away 52.5% graduates, professionals and above. Now, if we compare the party-wise, the crorepati's are also there. Wealth, which is this is something which is very interesting again. The wealth also has increased. 75%, which is 30 out of 40 winners. I don't want to call them MLAs as yet because swearing has not happened. The winners, 30 out of 40, have 5 crores and above as assets declared by them. And when it comes to 10 crores and above, it is 22 out of 40. 22 out of 40 is 55%. Ideally, you should have MLAs or the winners who are true representatives of Goan population. That is what is expected, because why do we have an assembly? Is because all people can't go there and only few representatives have to go and then make decisions for us, make laws for us. So if it is, this certainly is not a true representation, because in Goa, despite the fact that we have a very high level of GDP, we do not have 55% whose assets are 10 crores and above. And hence it appears, even during this election, that if you have more money power, if you have more muscle power, you have more likelihood of winning the elections. These are the party-wise assets of re-elected MLAs. Re-elected means they were MLAs last time and now they have been re-elected, and this is the scenario of them. There were 12 from BJP, 2 from Congress, Digambar and Michael Lobo, after moving around, coming back to Congress. So there are 2, and Goa Forward 1, which is Vijay Sardesai, Independent 1, and Maharashtrawadi Gomandak Party. These are the kind of things, the changes in this thing. And these are the 10 top winning candidates with the highest assets. Don't have to say anything, except for the fact that instead of pointing out the individuals, it is better that we talk about the average scenario in the assembly, in the house, which has doubled. This is the educational level of the 40. Although I have just given the numbers here, if you want the details of who is having what education, I also have the slides for that. You have 8th pass, 10th pass, there are 6, 12th pass are 6, graduates are 13, graduate professionals are 4, postgraduates are 4, and diploma holders are 6. Total makes it to 60, 40. This is the age profile. The median is 51 to 60. That's the average age of this thing. This for the second or third time we have 3 out of 40 women. But coincidentally or otherwise, all 3 of them are spouses of either the ministers or the MLAs. You know, there are 3 couples who have been elected, and that makes it to 3 out of.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख.